Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new LEGO video. Today we finally have Halo again. Yes, it's been a while, I know, but finally we have a new Halo creation made with LEGO. I don't know if you watched the live videos I made during the week where we built this creation together, and this is the final result. So in the live you can check how I designed this project from the very first moment until almost to the end, because the little details were added offline. So you are all watching the final version of my Pillar Autumn in micro scale. This one is 1 to 3500 scale, the same scale of my other Halo projects like the Frigate and the McCannon. Actually, if you want, we can also load them together later, so you can check all the creations in the same scale together. But first I would like to show you this one. As always, I would like to remind you that in the description of the video you can find the links to download this project, the exact project that we are watching now. So everything I do here with you, you can do by yourself with the original file. And if you like this one, remember to leave a like, comment and share the video with others that may like my projects. But let's start with this one. As you can see, the shape is the one that you can find over the Halcyon class. This is a Halcyon class cruiser, and we can start checking from the front here all the details added. In this case we have the main cannon of the ship that is a mech cannon. In the real one it starts from here and ends more or less up here. It's huge, it's the main gun of the ship. Then we have some antennas here on the front, some details here on the sides that you can find here and there. Now on the bottom we find a little gun in this position. The bridge here, the one that you are in during the first Halo video game, you start from here. Then we have other antennas. In the middle section we can find another little gun here on the top, and on the sides those are used to connection with the space station, and later we will also see how they work. Then we have more guns, one on the top and two on the sides here. If we continue on the sides we can find some details. Those should be missiles launcher. They should be smaller actually, but in LEGO it's impossible to make them in this scale, so maybe you can also add stickers if you prefer. Here we have the hangars for the pelicans and the ships. Two more guns here. Of course I forgot, but all the guns can move here, of course. Then we have the front part of the external engines that finish here, and now I show you them better. And the same here, we have the front part of the engines that finish here. On the top we can find a little antenna here, another one here, more details here on the back. From here you can see the wings, we can call like wings of the ship. This is how it looks like from the front. That goes also down like this. On the bottom we have small little details. I wanted to make this part flat in a first moment, like the sides, but then I thought like this would be I don't know, more peculiar, because we have more details with these round pieces. Same for the top. In a first moment I wanted to make this part flat, but I still like to see some studs here and there. And we can complete with the back of the of the ship with the main engines. Here we have the 4 lateral engines, other 4 smaller engines here on the wings. Then we have other 4 here in the middle. Actually, this part is a wheel part, as you can see, and I'm almost 99% sure that you can just add this same engine present here also here, but the program doesn't like it, so I left this part here, but actually I'm almost sure you can add the same one also here. The same engines. Here we have some lights in this position. As you can see, there are some green part, and I remind you, as in any other video, that green parts are made for the internal structure. So I place in green the parts that you can change in any color you have at home, or it's cheaper to buy, so you can change with any other color because usually you can't see. In this case you can see a little green because it's covered by a transparent part, so you can change them with black, or there are also in blue these kind of parts that are maybe better for this position. And that's all. As you can see, this is the pillar rotum in 3500 scale. And now I would like to show you the same pillar rotum but with my other projects in the same scale. Okay, here we are. They are all of 3 together now. These are the 3 creations made in the same scale. All of them are from the UNSC fleet. Of course, in the future I'll make also the Covenant fleet, so you can make a little diorama and a space battle if you want. In this moment I connected them to the space station, so you can see how it works, and you can actually see better the scale. So here we have the pillar rotum that we finished to check in this moment. Here we have the Frigate I made some time ago. You can find this one on the channel, clicking in the right up corner or in the description of the video. And this one is the mech cannon station, the Cairo station from Halo 2. And also this one, you can find it clicking in the right top corner or in the description of the video. So this is the space station. You can connect on the sides to Frigate, or just like in this case, we have a Frigate on this side. And as you can see here, we have the connection bridge to the Frigate that it's here. While on the other side, we are using this main connection here. And I just made it a little longer. You have just to add 2 more of these pieces. Not so difficult. You add just 2 or 3 of them and you can make it even longer if you want. You can just put this one up until here, more or less. So this is how it looks like with all of 3 together. In the renderings you have seen them also in other positions. And that's all. I hope you liked this project. If yes, as I said in the beginning of the video, leave a like because it's always appreciated, and if you want more Halo projects, leave a comment and let me know so I give them priority to other kind of files. And remember that if you want to know how I design my projects, from this week I started making live videos, so you can see how I design them and maybe learn how to use the program as a tutorial. I don't know, maybe you may like them. Said that, as always, see you next Saturday with a new official video, and during the week on Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday with a live video where we can build together. Bye!